I'm Nicole Huntsman, this is Skip, and right now we're just kind of getting ready for the show. Every day this week we go out there and do different events, like today is showmanship and western riding, and tomorrow is English, so that's about it.
They're all getting wet. Oh, you got the good job.
I need the flag.
Hook flat? You need the hook flat?